this wild camping.
You want a lift?
Have you heard the storm over there?
Yeah, that sky's darker than that list you sent me earlier.
What are we doing?
Bivi bags. Oh yeah.
Speak for yourself, I bought my own Bivi.
Oh.
This is Jamie's idea. We've skipped a leg of the journey here in the van because I didn't think it would be this bad, but I'm glad because we would literally be biking this. Turning up wet is just not fun. As soon as that goes on, I hide behind my beaver tail. Weird shifting noises.
Hello there. We have driven from the original departure point because we've had torrential rain. We've been to another pub. I don't know whether he's going to talk.
I'm just trying to think of something to say. Pub. Ale.
You right? I still got it. As you were standing there with her boyfriend. Anyway. Think we have reached camp. We're back at a favourite spot under the riverbank. No, not under the riverbank, under the bridge. That's the one. Sorry, I've had 3 pints of Beavertown. Oh yeah. We're not going to divulge where we're sleeping tonight yet. We haven't got any tents.
All I know is we're going to sit up on here and have some chow.
Yeah, we're gonna have some
Concrete, urban.
Yeah. Urban eating. Right, we're hungry. Do you want any bug spray?
No, I think I'm alright. I can't feel them nibble on.
The annoying thing with this is, look, it's not a spray. It seems to come out in a jet, but you can't sort of turn anything to make it. Look, what's this? Look.
Hang on.
Oh, that's all in my eyeball. Oh, that really hurts actually. Are you still filming?
Yeah, I am. He's just put some bug spray on, but it's gone straight in his eye. Perils of Wildcamp, part 1. Oh. I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Like you say, it just makes such a change from like woodland. I love the woods. It's kind of where I live. It's where I love. But to have this,
Yeah. I'm gonna go in with an ale watch, and then we can do yours maybe. Looks like we've got a donated Peroni. Thank you very much, sir.
Ooh.
Thanks for saving that. A go shit. And then I've got a Whiplash, got to get on. What we got over here, son?
A donation from the gods of Outdaters. And then we have a Almost Famous. And then we have this one, a new one to try. Never tried it.
Very nice.
Team Brewdog.
Very nice.
Bloody expensive, but hey, let's rock. Let us cook.
Can't always go to Beers of Europe on the Outdaters, can we?
No, we cannot. Oh. Yup, did I put water in there? Bugger me. That's it. See, he's done it before. Homemade pate. I'm already pouring one out because I don't feel like I'm drunk.
going for the Peroni first?
Yeah,
I'll do the same.
Because it's out of date. Got to get it done quick.
Yeah. Might be worse.
Every second
Might be worse at the end of the day. We're just saying how much we like this spot. We've camped here quite a few times, haven't we?
Yeah, but I think every single time we come here, we try to do something a wee bit different. So we've like camped on the grass. We've had to put an emergency tarp up because of the wind once.
And every time we camp here, we say about how good it is, don't we?
It's perfect. Yeah, it's a really cool spot. And for people who, like us, we're always in the woodland, it just really makes a change to be out in the open. And
Yeah, because a lot of people camp. Like if you're in the peaks or somewhere, you camp out in the open all the time.
Oh,
Don't
no, they drive to Thetford to make a change.
Camp
Assholes!
or campsite.
Yeah.
Blankety blank.
I've got to tell you. Oh, sugar, I forgot about that.
Did you forget that foil was flammable?
I did. I might just sit. Cheap white rolls, cheesy cheese, homemade burger, perfection. Bon appetit. Well, while we're sitting here, literally laughing at ourselves, the bats are flying out. There's some. Oh. Oh. No, he's gone down there because he's done a figure of 8 and shot down there. But when he comes back, he'll go down there, turn around and come back, and that's when we're getting.
A little bit chilly now, so I think we're going to go up on top, get camp set up, and then just get ourselves settled. Then we might have another drink. We're not overly into stealth, but just past those trees there is a cottage there, so we have to keep it down a little bit. What do you reckon? Should we go up there, get set up?
Have a little look.
Well, I'm set up here. I'm in a Snugpak Special Forces Bivi bag. I don't know whether you can even see that on there. It's a bit dark now. Now we're set up. Do you fancy a walkabout?
Yeah, nothing's blown away, is it?
No. I think now we've got that nice little sheltered seating area.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Say how effing. Isn't it a big moon?
Fairly sizable. We've talked about camping on here for a long time, haven't we?
Yeah, but at the end of the day, it's a public footpath.
Well, it is, yeah. I've got a feeling there'll be deer through here tonight.
Nobody talked anyone into this. It's just mutual weird passion, isn't it? It's just like.
Yeah, I like being outdoors. Well, that look.
Yeah, that's stunning.
What's not to like?
Don't drop that shit though, because you'll kill some moorhens.
Should we go back?
Yeah.
Last beer.
Who's thought about wearing shorts? That's usually my thing.
Yeah. Shorts and shorts.
That's how windy it is.
We've got a tarp set up behind us to keep the breeze off. It's a bit breezy. You wouldn't think that on a bridge, would you?
How high up is it? 20 foot? I don't know. Look at that. That was wicked. There you go. So we'll stick it down there.
We said we'd do it, and we're camped up on the top of the bridge, and we're both in bivvy bags. It's quite exposed up here, but the wind's dropped a little. I think the wind has dropped a little bit, hasn't it? Jay's here in his
Snugpak Stratosphere.
Yeah.
But
he's in a hoop bivvy. I'm in a bivvy
yeah, I mean,
bag.
The thing is, this is all. I haven't like nailed it down because
No. Well, there's nowhere to nail it down.
Yeah.
Right, I'm in my Rab sleeping bag. Yeah, I'm just talking to the followers.
Good lad.
What?
Good lad.
I'm in a Rab sleeping bag in a Snugpak Special Forces bivvy bag. I'm basically in here on a bridge. The only thing between me and the outer space is nothing. I'm basically floating through space. Oh no, it's just started raining. My face is getting wet. Now what?
I don't know.
It was alright until it started raining last night, wasn't it?
I was laughing my head off, but I didn't zip up anyway, so I was like getting soaked as well, but good times.
Slept alright, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Breakfast?
Try. Coffee.
Coffee. Yeah, good call.
Yeah. Simple things are hard in the morning, aren't they?
Setting up my stall this morning.
Oh yeah. again. There's another musical we really like as well. There's three that we just put on rotation.
I think we are going to make a move. There's nothing to see because we didn't even camp here.
Yeah, nothing to see here.
All the rubbish is up on the bridge.
Oh.
Up on a jetty.
Oh yeah. You see that person jogging in his
In
jeans?
his jeans, yeah, I know, I was going to say that to you.
Sports Direct gone up in prices on it.
I don't know, they got to this bit and then they ran back. Oh shit, I've got my jeans on, let's go back.
I'm chafing.
Did you enjoy that?
I did.
I enjoyed that also.
Loads of laughs.
That is that. Another fine camp. Thanks for watching. Ah, yeah. Well, I wasn't recording then,
Yeah.
was I? So double Dutch on you. If that's a thing.
It looks like, honestly, do you know what it looks like? Looking at this view screen. It just looks like we've been kicked out. We've got nowhere to live.
Yeah.
And we're like,
We're the littlest hobos under the bridge.
we're like,
There's a voice.
keeps
on calling me. Down the road. That's where I wanna be. Every step I take,
Wow.
I'm making new friends. I'm back again.
Maybe
Tomorrow.
we'll go settle down. Da, 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 da.